It's important that we drill to make sure that students can get some confidence built up and work on improving their accuracy in pronunciation in order to make sure that they can move on to have personalized fluency practice later in the lesson. So we need to do drilling to make sure they feel happy with sounds, with words, with chunks of language, and then they can build those up into phrases and questions and have meaningful and interesting conversations in the practice session. I think it's really important for teachers to drill, because even if you've drilled your students, that doesn't mean that they're going to go away being mistake-free. So I think it's super important that we drill a number of times throughout a lesson, during the language focus, in feedback to controlled practice, setting up the freer practice activity, and then if you've got time again at the end, focusing on some pronunciation practice or doing some delayed error correction. It's vital for the students they get feedback on language, otherwise they might be unintelligible outside the EFL classroom, and that's not what we want for our students at all. If you're scared of drilling, I would say to you, make it silly. It doesn't always have to be serious. It can sometimes be fun. There's loads of different techniques to do drilling, mumbling drilling, whispering drilling, shouty drilling. So watch the masterclass series and you'll be able to find out more about how to drill, hopefully giving you confidence and chasing those fears away.